Hey guys, welcome back. Today's project, I'm changing the dry belt on this Husqvarna riding lawnmower, but I'm just showing you a quick tip on how to loosen the bolt on the electric clutch. What I mean by electric clutch, I mean this right here in the front and how we loosen this bolt. So the first thing I want to do is come up here, turn your key on and pull your PTO switch. You hear your click, your clutch is engaged. Now we're going to get under there and I'll show you how to take that off. Okay, now that I turned the PTO switch on, I can go ahead and take a pair of vice grips and lock down on this pulley, but not too tight to where you end up bending it or anything, just enough to hold on to the pulley. Take my wrench and loosen up your bolt. Once your bolt's loose, take your vice grips back off, go back up, shut your key off so you're not draining your battery. All right guys, that's all there is to it really. To hope that tip helps you. If you have any other questions or maybe you have a tip yourself, hit me up in the comments. Until again, thanks for watching.